Every night at 12:17 a.m., a train arrived at an abandoned New York subway station. The strange part? That train never appeared on any official schedule. Security cameras showed the doors opening, but no passengers ever got off. One night, investigative journalist Ethan Cole decided to step inside. The train was silent. People sat in the seats, staring straight ahead, but none of them had reflections. Suddenly, a voice echoed through the speakers. "Next stop, 1954. When the train stopped, Ethan looked at the glass window, and his heart dropped. His reflection was gone. The next morning, the subway system was back to normal. Only one thing was missing: